Optimizing TeamCity with AI involves a multifaceted approach that enhances the capabilities of this powerful continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) tool. TeamCity is designed to automate the building, testing, and deployment of applications, making it a cornerstone of modern software development practices. By integrating artificial intelligence into TeamCity, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency, accuracy, and responsiveness in their development workflows. One of the most significant capabilities of TeamCity is its support for a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. This versatility allows teams to use TeamCity regardless of their technology stack, making it suitable for diverse development environments. The platform's robust integration with various version control systems, such as Git, Subversion, and Mercurial, enables seamless collaboration among team members. This integration is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow, as it allows developers to push code changes and trigger automated builds effortlessly. When AI is integrated into TeamCity, it can enhance these capabilities in several ways. For instance, AI can analyze historical build data to identify patterns and trends that may indicate potential issues. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, teams can predict which builds are likely to fail based on past performance, allowing them to take proactive measures to address these issues before they impact the development process. This predictive capability not only reduces downtime, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement, as teams can learn from past failures and successes. Another area where AI can significantly optimize TeamCity is in automated testing. Traditional testing processes can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, often leading to bottlenecks in the CI/CD pipeline. AI-driven test automation frameworks can intelligently select and prioritize tests based on recent code changes, ensuring that the most critical tests are executed first. This approach minimizes the time spent on testing while maximizing the likelihood of catching defects early in the development cycle. Additionally, AI can analyze test results to identify flaky tests, those that fail intermittently without any changes to the code, allowing teams to address these issues and improve overall test reliability. AI can also enhance the performance monitoring capabilities of TeamCity. By continuously analyzing build and deployment metrics, AI can identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the CI/CD pipeline. For example, if a particular build configuration consistently takes longer than expected, AI can flag this issue for further investigation. This level of insight allows teams to optimize their build processes, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively and that builds are completed in a timely manner. Moreover, AI can facilitate intelligent resource allocation within TeamCity. By analyzing historical data on build times and resource usage, AI can recommend optimal configurations for build agents. This capability ensures that the right resources are allocated to the right tasks, reducing wait times and improving overall efficiency. For instance, if a specific build requires more computational power due to its complexity, AI can automatically allocate additional resources to that build, ensuring it completes as quickly as possible. Despite the numerous advantages of integrating AI into TeamCity, organizations must also navigate several challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is the quality of data used to train AI models. AI systems rely heavily on accurate and comprehensive datasets to produce reliable insights. If the data is incomplete, biased, or of low quality, the AI's predictions may be flawed, leading to poor decision-making. Therefore, organizations must invest in robust data management practices to ensure that the data fed into AI systems is clean, relevant, and representative of real-world scenarios. Another challenge is the complexity of integrating AI tools with existing workflows. Teams may face difficulties in aligning AI capabilities with their current processes and tools. This integration requires careful planning and consideration of the specific needs of the team and the project. Organizations should approach this integration thoughtfully, ensuring that AI tools complement rather than disrupt existing workflows. Additionally, ongoing training and support for team members will be essential to maximize the benefits of AI technologies. Teams must be equipped with the knowledge and skills to effectively leverage AI tools, interpret their outputs, and make data-driven decisions. Furthermore, organizations should be mindful of the ethical implications of using AI in their CI/CD processes. As AI systems make decisions based on data, there is a risk of perpetuating biases present in the training data. This can lead to unfair outcomes, particularly in areas such as automated code reviews or security assessments. To mitigate this risk, organizations should adopt ethical AI practices, including regular audits of AI models, diverse training datasets, and transparency in AI decision-making processes. In terms of common use cases, AI can be applied in various aspects of the CI/CD pipeline within TeamCity. For instance, intelligent test selection is a prominent use case where AI algorithms analyze code changes and determine which tests are most relevant to run. This capability not only saves time, but also ensures that critical tests are executed first, reducing the risk of introducing defects into production. Another use case is automated performance monitoring, where AI continuously analyzes application performance metrics to identify anomalies and potential issues. By detecting performance degradation early, teams can take corrective actions before users are affected, ensuring a smoother user experience. AI can also play a role in enhancing the security within the CI/CD pipeline. By analyzing code changes and identifying potential vulnerabilities, AI can help teams address security concerns proactively. This capability is particularly important in today's landscape, where security threats are increasingly sophisticated and prevalent. In conclusion, optimizing TeamCity with AI presents a significant opportunity for organizations to enhance their software development processes. By leveraging AI's capabilities, teams can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and foster a more agile development environment. Understanding the advantages, common use cases, and challenges associated with AI integration will empower organizations to harness this technology effectively, driving innovation and success in their development efforts. As the landscape of software development continues to evolve, embracing AI will be key to maintaining a competitive edge and delivering high-quality software that meets the demands of users, FUs, and stakeholders alike. The journey toward AI-enhanced TeamCity is not merely about adopting new technologies. It is about fostering a mindset of agility and adaptability. By embracing AI, organizations can not only streamline their development processes, but also unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the digital age. As we look to the future, the role of AI in optimizing TeamCity will undoubtedly expand, shaping the way software is developed, tested, and delivered for years to come. Ultimately, organizations that successfully integrate AI into their CI/CD practices will be better positioned to navigate the complexities of modern software development, ensuring that they can deliver value to their users and stakeholders in an increasingly competitive landscape. In conclusion, optimizing TeamCity with artificial intelligence represents a transformative opportunity for organizations seeking to enhance their software development processes. By integrating AI into CI/CD pipelines, teams can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and foster a more agile and responsive development environment. The capabilities of TeamCity, combined with the predictive and analytical power of AI, enable organizations to streamline workflows, automate routine tasks, and make data-driven decisions that enhance overall software quality. The advantages of AI integration are manifold, from intelligent test selection and automated performance monitoring to proactive resource allocation and enhanced security measures. These capabilities not only accelerate the development cycle, but also empower teams to focus on innovation and creativity, ultimately leading to higher quality software that meets the evolving needs of users and stakeholders. However, the journey toward AI-enhanced TeamCity is not without its challenges. Organizations must navigate issues related to data quality, integration complexity, and the ethical implications of AI usage. By investing in robust data management practices, fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning, and ensuring that team members are equipped with the necessary skills, organizations can effectively harness the power of AI to drive their development efforts. As the landscape of software development continues to evolve, the role of AI in optimizing TeamCity will only grow in significance. Organizations that embrace this transformation will be better positioned to adapt to changing market demands, deliver high-quality software, and maintain a competitive edge in an increasingly dynamic environment. Ultimately, the integration of AI into TeamCity is not just about adopting new technologies. It is about fostering a mindset of agility, innovation, and continuous improvement that will define the future of software development. Thank you for watching.